to articles. Today, like I promised last week, that we will be considering the feminine of words in French. How do we identify words that are feminine against words that are masculine in nature? Okay? So that is what we want to consider. So we'll be using them in examples so that we'll be able to follow. And then afterward, if we still have time, then I'll be able to list out what are the endings of words in masculine and what are the endings of words in feminine, so that when you are reading or when you're given a question, you'll be able to identify which one is masculine and which one is feminine. Don't forget, I want us to do a quick revision on our definite articles and our indefinite articles, because these are what you actually be using to express which one is masculine and which one is feminine. Okay, so when you see an article, when you identify the article, you'll be able to understand which category of word does it belong to. Is it masculine or feminine? Okay, but it's easier for us. Let's go with the feminine word. So, but first of all, let's do a quick revision on articles. Okay, you know that in your definite article, okay, definite article, okay, l'article défini in French, okay, you have masculine, okay, feminine, and then you have pluriel, okay, plural. We've done this before, but I don't want us to do that so as to refresh our mind, okay, and then you have le here, you have la, and you have les. And don't forget there is also what? L apostrophe. Okay, and this L apostrophe, you can either use it for masculine or feminine. As far as the word that wants to start with the vowel sound. Don't forget that. But this one is masculine, le. Okay, you have examples like when you say le garçon. This one, they are all consonants, the boy. Okay, and you have la fille, you know, the girl. Okay, they are constant in the sense that you don't need any formula for this, but when you know boy, you know it's masculine, and when you hear girl, you know it is feminine. Okay, and then you know this plural now, you can pluralize any of these two words. Okay, in the sense that you can say les garçons, or you don't need to do is hard S. Okay, and you have les filles. All you just need to do is add S, okay? You find that these are just articles, and these are how they are being used, the masculine, the feminine, and the plural. How do we use this L apostrophe? And I told you that you can either use it for masculine or you use it for feminine, okay? For example, words that start with what? Vowel sound, okay? And then just like in English, you know the vowel sounds, A, I, U, O, okay? So you can either use it for something like l'île, the island, or you can use it for something like l'âge, you know, the age, okay? Alright, you can use it like something like, okay, excuse me, l'hôpital, the hospital, okay? You would ask the question, is H a vowel sound? Yes and no. Okay? As an alphabet, it's not a vowel sound. But when it comes to words, it's a vowel sound in the sense that it's always silent. Okay? But because all that follows here is a vowel sound. And when you are pronouncing it, listen again. L'hôpital. What do you hear? You hear O. That is why we consider H to be a vowel sound. Okay? So all these here, that's how we use L apostrophe. Okay? But when it comes to masculine that doesn't start with vowel sound, we use lo. When it comes to feminine that doesn't start with vowel sound, we use la. Okay? And the plural is le. Okay? This is definite article. So don't forget that it's very important. So when we are going through this feminine of words, you understand the ones that you are actually going to be using, so that you don't use lo in front of the ones that you should be using la. And you don't use la in front of ones that you should be using le. Okay? Okay, this is definitely that one. Don't forget also that we have what we have called the indefinite article. Indefinite article. So I won't play these examples here. Okay? Because it's going to be useful. Okay? Indefinite. Just from the word it's not defined, okay? Indefinite article, okay? And also you have the masculine, you have the feminine, and you have the plural, okay? And under this you have in, and you have the, okay? And here, is for masculine, in is for feminine, and they is for the plural. Okay? Whatever that goes with your masculine in your definite article can actually go with your indefinite article here too. Okay? So we have un garçon, a boy. Okay? The other one which we talked about, which is the definite article, is the article D in English. But this one is article A or and. Okay? So you have here une fille. Okay, a girl. Okay, so you can actually now pluralize any of these by putting just what? The. Good. Alright. Okay. So now the issue with this now that you can have now is how do we now identify is it here masculine, is as here masculine or feminine, is orbital here masculine or feminine. That's the main reason why we are going through this feminine of words, so that you can be able to identify which one is actually masculine and which one is actually feminine in nature. Okay? So that's why we're doing that. So let's do it together. Now, I'll be using them in the form of a sentence. That will help us a lot. Okay? Ma sœur a 15 ans. My sister is 15 years old. Okay? You see, say here, that's a feminine word. Okay? So, these ones are the constant ones that you don't need anything to tell you either they are masculine or feminine. Okay? You know that the masculine there will be what? Frère. Okay? Talking about the masculine. Okay? Brother, sister, you don't need any formula for that. It's just plain and pure. Okay? Just like when you have another one that says porte une robe. Okay, she wears a gown. Okay, you see here a gown. You know, most times that one is for female. That's for you to see a man putting on a gown. So these ones, you don't need any formula for this. You know that it is what feminine. And then you cannot say un pantalon. This one is what? Masculine, trouser. Okay? So I'm using it this way for you to be able to have understanding. All these ones, they are just constant. You know, when you hear something like mame, okay? You know, my mother. You know, the opposite would be what? Mon père. My father. You know, this one you don't need anything, they are just constant. Based on their meaning, you know which gender and where they belong to. You know the one that is masculine and you know the one that is feminine. Okay? Or when you see something like le chien, now la chienne. Okay? And the dog and the female dog. This one will give you, based on the writing and the spellings, you will understand that this one is masculine and this one is feminine. The reason why I'm going through this is because most of you ask that question a lot in class. How do we now identify which one is masculine and which one is feminine? So I'm going through this to just give you a clue. I can't give you all, but at least this will give you a pointer to which one is actually feminine and which one is masculine. Alright, so now let's move to the ones that we really need to go through properly. Alright? Ma tante est une jumelle. Look at this word here, jumelle. My auntie is a twin. My auntie is a twin. Okay? You can use in, jumelle. Okay? You find that the ones that end with this E-L-L-E, they are all feminine. E-L-L-E, they are all feminine. Okay? Other examples that you can see is of this E-L-L-E. You can see, let's say, elle s'appelle Gabrielle. Her name